Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you struggling making money in your home business promoting affiliate products? If you are, chances are you are making one or more of these 6 affiliate marketing mistakes that are keeping money from getting into your bank account. In this video today, I am going to share with you 6 of those key... Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you struggling making sales in your home business promoting affiliate products? If you are, chances are you're making one of these 6 mistakes that are preventing you from adding money into your bank account. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what those mistakes are and how you can overcome them so that you can start making money with your home business starting today. But before we get into this training, I want you to do 2 quick things for me. First, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do that in either one of 2 ways. First, you can hit the subscribe button, which you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, or you can go to drlisamthompson.com/subscribe because I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you a system that can help you overcome these 6 affiliate marketing mistakes so that you can get into profit right away. So what are these affiliate marketing mistakes? Most people believe that doing affiliate marketing is nothing than taking your link and just sharing it everywhere on social media and on email and waiting for the sales to come in. That's what I thought. You know, I would become an affiliate for some of these amazing products and services. They would have the pre-made tools done for me, and all I'd do is just kind of recycle those and share them everywhere and wait for the sales to come in. Well, that didn't work out too well. But then I learned what these 6 affiliate marketing mistakes are. And if you're making these mistakes, it's not your fault. You just weren't told the right way to promote to start getting profits. So the first big mistake that people make when promoting affiliate products is you're promoting products and services that you really have no experience with. So what people will tend to do is they'll go on to these big these big programs like JVZoo or ClickBank, and they will sit there and they'll find, okay, which one of these affiliate programs are really high converting, and they will promote those. Okay, there's 2 big things wrong with that if you don't have experience with it. Number 1, you don't know if this is a product that's going to be good for your market. And number 2, you're just going to come off sounding like a salesman. Okay? Think about the energy that you have when you share a product, or maybe you went to a restaurant, a new restaurant in town or a new bakery in town, and you're telling your friends about it. You know, back here in where I live, we had a new bakery open up a few months ago, and my husband and I started to go there, and we get a scone every weekend. We absolutely love this bakery and the fresh baked goods they put out. So when we're talking with people, we are excited. We tell them how great those scones taste. We've tried their breads, and we make suggestions and recommendations. And just by the excitement in our voice and the way we tell our experience with it, people are more curious and more willing to check out that particular product. Now, think about that from your business perspective. You want to make sure that you're consuming whatever product or service you are going to promote, because what you want to be able to do is you want to give them an honest review of what that product will do for them, how it will help them. Because if you're using the product, what it does is you're going to be able to tell them things that maybe the sales page or the email follow-ups aren't really going to be able to share. You're going to give your own unique take on that particular product, and that alone can tip the scales into people wanting to purchase your product or service. You see, people don't buy products or subscribe to services from websites, computers, or compensation plans. They buy from people who they know, like, and trust. And so if you have experience with that product, that's going to help a lot of people tip the scales to wanting to buy it, because it's going to answer 3 questions. Whenever you're sending a product or service to someone, people always have these 3 questions going on in their head. Does it work? Will it work for me? And can I do it? And so if you can share your personal experiences with the product, that's going to answer those 3 questions right off the bat. So always, always, always be a consumer of that product or service. That alone is going to help you get more sales. Mistake number 2, using pre-made email templates. Now, as I mentioned before, a lot of times when you become an affiliate, the person of the product or service that you are promoting will often give you tools to help you promote. So they will give you things such as, pre-made emails, okay, that you can send out to people. Here is the problem with pre-made emails. They have other affiliates promoting those, promoting the product and service. So they're doing the exact same thing. So what happens is that you lose that personal touch. And so chances are your prospect or someone on your list is probably be receiving the exact same email. So what it does is it creates noise in that person's email box, and they're either going to unsubscribe from your list, or they're just going to delete your email and not even read it. So, that email could be the most awesome email, high converting, where people would actually click on the link. But if they see that over and over in their email box, they're not even going to give it the time of day. Think about when you go through your email box, okay? You can tell when things are salesy or promoting. Someone's promoting something, you can see the same subject lines. Do you delete those? Yeah, but you won't delete an email from a friend, okay? So what you want to do is with your emails, by all means, use the template. Use those pre-made emails as a guide, but rewrite it in your own words. Put your own unique spin on it, and that's why, combined with tip number 1, this is going to be a really great way. When you consume the product, and then you can use the email template as an idea as to follow for format and structure, put it in your own words, you're going to see a lot more sales. Mistake number 3, not adding value. You see, people aren't going to buy your product or service on the first view. On average, it takes about 7 exposures for someone to make an informed decision. So what you want to do is you want to be able to give content, create content, and in your email follow-ups, show them unique benefits of the product. Show it how it is going to help them solve their problem. So when you're thinking of promoting products and services, you need to be very specific who your audience is. And what is your audience's big, audacious, hairy problem? And when you know what their biggest problem is, then what you want to do is you want to make sure with your affiliate product or service, you are really providing value and selling the benefit, not the features. Okay, the benefit is what the product or service does. What is it going to do for them? Is it going to help them, give them that sexy body? Is it going to help them be able to earn enough extra income so that they can spend more time with their family? Is it going to give them some time-saving tips as far as they can automate some of their online marketing so that they're not spending so much time working on their business so they can have time with their family? Whatever that is, okay? Find out what the big problem is and sell the big benefit that product or service will help them with. Mistake number 4 is overselling. Now, what people tend to do, and this ties in with number 3, is when people think they can just send that link 7 times. Okay, it takes an average of 7 times for someone to look at something before they make a decision. When you do that, what you're doing is you are making, you're being really pushy. Okay, people hate to be sold. So what you want to do in an email follow-up sequence is follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of your follow-ups should be value-based, with 20% being promotion. So what you want to do in those follow-ups is you want to really kind of provide some content, create some blog posts or Facebook Lives or YouTube videos centered around the product. Show some how-to demonstrations. Show them what they get in the back office. Show them success stories of people who have used your product or service and got a result. Sell the benefit of those testimonials. And what that does is it's going to help you sell more products, because again, we have to go back and revisit those questions. Does it work? Will it work for me? And can I do it? Okay? So always provide value. Mistake number 5 is hard selling versus pre-selling. Online, okay, it is so important that you understand what marketing is. Marketing just isn't sending people to a sales page every single time and collect a sale. Doesn't happen that way. What marketing is that it's a funnel. And that funnel, okay, is a sifting and sorting mechanism. In every step of that funnel that you're guiding people through online is getting them to simply raise their hand and saying yes to the next step. The sale is the last element in the funnel, but we have to qualify them through a series of processes, okay? And all you want them to do is say yes to the next step. So maybe you're going to be offering them a free report or a free video, and then after that, if they opt in and get that free report and video, you'll say, hey, do you want to get on my email list? They raise their hand. Yes, I want to get on the email list. They subscribe to your email list, and then you start giving them value. You start reaching out and building that relationship, and then it becomes to a point where the sale becomes very easy. Keep this formula in mind. This is very, very important. You need to build an audience and engage your audience before you can sell to your audience. And that's what pre-selling does. You are qualifying people. You're separating the tire kickers from those who would actually want to buy. And it's a very important process. And when you understand that, it makes everything a lot easier. Now, the last mistake that people make when they are promoting affiliate products is they are not branding themselves. Okay? How can you make yourself set yourself apart from other people who are promoting the product? Okay? You're just not the only affiliate promoting offers. So here's what I see a lot of times when there's affiliate launches going on. A lot of people think that, and why so many of the top home business owners really hit the leaderboards and they really win those prizes and speak from the stage. It is because they have learned to make themselves memorable. They've branded themselves, not the product, not the service, okay? They are the ones that people want to work with and do business with. They are the prize, okay? It's not the prospect and it's not the product or service. So what you see a lot of people do is that they will offer bonuses as part of being memorable. What sets them apart from everybody else? So you can have bonuses that are very simple, like having a private Facebook group where you're going to teach them every single day. You can be having one where they're going to get some coaching from you, free, let's say you're offering a system where, it's with blogging. They have a blogging platform. You could even teach them, as part of a bonus. You'll set that all up for them. Or you can set up a done for you, they might be, they want to set up their own sales funnel but don't know how to do it. You can maybe teach them how to do some sales funnels. Have a little tutorial there for them, extra bonuses. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it, you can go out there and you can find things such as private label rights products, where you can actually purchase the rights to use products as bonuses, videos, ebooks, template, checklists. And what you can do is offer those as bonuses. Just make sure when you're doing private label rights products that they are of high quality and that they are not something really cheap. You want to make sure that it is something that, and taking those private label rights products and maybe putting your own unique spin on it, maybe changing the cover up a little bit, or changing the font on some of the products, especially any of the digital ebooks, that can maybe set yourself apart. So those are the 6 affiliate marketing mistakes many people make. So let's do a quick recap. Mistake number 1, they don't consume the product or service. Mistake number 2, they're using canned templates. Mistake number 3, they are not adding value to their list or to whoever they're talking to get them to want to buy the product. They're not selling the benefit. Number 4, they are overselling. Number 5, they are doing hard selling versus pre-selling. And then number 6, they're not making themselves memorable. So if you take those suggestions that I gave you, you're going to find yourself changing your results. Was this helpful? If it was, leave a comment and share. And as promised, here is the system that I use that has helped me overcome all 6 of these affiliate marketing mistakes. This is an affiliate platform that I have been using for the last 5 years. It teaches me how to brand myself. It also teaches me how to write emails. It teaches me how to build, engage, and sell an audience. And it's going to do the same for you as well. It comes with products that you can promote, free items you can give away to your list to build yourself as a leader and an expert. It also comes with tools you need to grow your business and a supportive community, as well as getting a free coaching session so that you can create your roadmap to get your plan put in place and start profiting immediately. To be a part of this system where I have been able to generate over 3,000 leads and become a top earner in my company, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to drlisamthompson.com/system. And all you have to do is enter in your email, and I will send a 40-minute video over to you that will give you the whole details about this system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.